Gong practice number 120. Today is August 5th, 2020. It's like 9:14 or so for me, p.m. Get this little sound journey going in a moment, but first, I just want to recap my day because I thought because I make these videos every day for my Gong, I might as well also talk about my day as my own little journal. So then I don't have to write it down. Then I come back and watch these later when I decide I want to put things together or recall what happened. So I'm going to start doing that now. Because why not? So today I got up like at 7. Well, I check my phone. No missed calls, no text messages. So no urgency for me to get up. So I just rolled back over and went back to sleep. And I think at 8 o'clock I woke up. Check my phone, no missed calls, no text messages. So just turn on my computer and check my email. Have to forward 3 emails, make 1 phone call. And that was my work day for my company. It was great. I was done by 8:30. Then I had to, I didn't have to, but I chose because I'm working on some stuff, putting a shed in. So got my work clothes on and formed and poured 4 footings for a shed, 50 bags of concrete, 60-pound bags, mixed 3 at a time in a mixer. Good 10-hour day. After cleaning everything up, 2 trips to the stores to get more concrete. Oh, and I love it. I feel so alive. I love it so much. It's like, although and in some ways I took a day off from work for my business, and maybe that's what it is. I just don't take enough days off, and today I was able to just be, and I was present all day long. I was just in the moment, just focused on what I was doing, the task at hand. I didn't think about anything else. I didn't think about anything else. Just what needed to be done. And these are the moments that are important, and our lives should be like that. I think more is being completely present and aware of what you're doing. I think that's what I'm going to strive to do, is be more present. No longer trying to multitask or think about different things. If I have a list of things to do, I choose the one I want to do that day. And the rest, don't even worry about them. Don't even think about them. Because if I'm fully present, then it'll get done faster. Or maybe it won't get done faster. It'll get done in the allotted time that it takes. Whatever it needs, it will be what it needs to be. If a task you think is going to take a day and it happens to take 3, well, it needed to take 3. That's just what it is, for whatever reason. Maybe you needed a break. I think in times we all try to rush too much. We're not patient. I need to be patient more, for sure. Trust the process. One of my gurus would say, trust the process. So my day though, awesome, like from 9 in the morning to 7 p.m. worked. Physical work, the body needs it. I need to know that I'm capable, that this body is capable. I built houses for years. I honestly, I love it. I love building. And I'm so grateful. Like, you think about, I get to do what I love every single day. Every day I wake up. I love talking to customers. I love talking to my manager. Get him all set up. Great conversations. And then everybody does their jobs. Talk to a couple designers. Everybody does their jobs. And I do my job. And I love building. I'm going to build so many things. I got some plans to draw. But anyway, before I go drifting off into some other world, that was my day for the day. And then I made some food and ate. I took a shower. Needed that for sure. Concrete everywhere. Concrete dust. Made some food and now making the video. Even though this body's physically tired, it still needs the vibrations. It could use some healing from today's work. Stretch out the back a little bit. Yoga's gonna feel good on Friday. Probably should do some tomorrow myself instead of waiting until Friday, but who knows? We'll see. So that was my little journal for the day, whatever that was. And so now to playing the sound journey. Every day I practice the gong because the gong is helpful to me, and it's helped transition my life, or helped me transition my life. I don't know. It's energy shifting, and we're beings of, electrical beings in these meat suits, and I know it helps. So I play every day, and I want to, share it with the world or whoever is watching. Well, yeah. So anyway, if you're new to this or whatever, just lie down, close your eyes. Noise canceling headphones if you have them. You can be awake if you want. If you want to watch me strike the gong, knock yourself out. If you want to walk around your house and do whatever, go ahead. Just do not drive a car or operate any heavy equipment. You don't want to be out of it. You want to make sure you're fully present or able to be present before you drift off. So that's why you don't want to drive stuff. But I recommend eyes closed, like I said, noise canceling headphones. Turn off your cell phone, anything that may distract you, and then just focus on your breath. Whatever breathing technique you like to use, go ahead and do that. What I like to do is I inhale through my nose, and I imagine my breath as a white light. A white light of love is what I like to think of it. Inhaling that white light up to the top of my head, and then it goes down my spine, following the breath to the belly. And it fills my belly. The white light fills my belly, and then it rises up and fills my chest, and then I pause for a moment. Feeling the breath that's inside, feeling the life that's inside. Then as I exhale out of my nose, I force that light down my chest, out of my belly, tightening my abs to get a physical connection to my breath leaving my body. And now the breath goes up and out of the nose, but the white light goes down the spine, tailbone, legs, and feet. Filling your body with love. Feeling the light. Reconnecting to the earth. And you just focus on your breath. I'll start playing in a moment, and I'll wake you up when it's done. Thank you. Slowly bring your attention back to yourself, taking a nice deep breath in through your nose and letting it go. Go ahead and start wiggling your fingers and toes, wrists and ankles, legs, arms. Just slowly coming back into yourself. Take a moment to process whatever it is you need to process. When you do get up all the way, drink some water. Stay hydrated. Our bodies need water. We are water. And water is abundant across this planet. That's something that's amazing. We buy it in bottles. Shouldn't be doing that. Most bottled water is not good for you. It's just not. Look it up. Start studying alkaline water, pH versus acidic. Not good to drink a bunch of acidic stuff. And most bottled water is. You can check it out for yourself. Google it. Learn something. There's all these little things going on in the world. 2020. Clarity. Perfect vision. Last year, that's what I said. I mean, when it comes, 2020 is going to be it. Everything's going to make sense. Everything's going to be out there. And that's what's coming on now. It's not making sense, but everything's getting out there. We're waking up as a race, as humanity. Our consciousness is now understanding, and the veil's being lifted, as they say. You're now seeing how corrupt people are in the world. You're now seeing different things at hand. You got a lot of stuff going on. Sex trafficking, human trafficking. You have this lockdown, COVID, mass fear, hysteria. UFOs are now, Pentagon just said that like a month ago. Alien, not from this planet. They have craft not from this planet. It's like all the things that we've been curious about. Watch it all come. And that's what this year's about. This year is about just saying, here it is. Here's everything. It's like Tom Cruise said in whatever movie that was. You want the truth, you can't handle the truth. And guess what? A lot of people right now are finding out cannot handle the truth. The truth is, people want to control people. And the people that have been in control for so long are losing control. That's what's happening. All these different things are just a way to control. Fear is how you control. Just letting you know. And all these realizations come to me. I've been seeing it for years. But the Gong helps put things into perspective for me. Because I'm just present in the moment. Letting the vibrations do what they do. But I don't worry about the future with all this stuff going on, all this stuff being exposed. I don't worry about it at all because I know that good will prevail. Because light is so much stronger than darkness. Love is stronger than hate. I think the light has more density than darkness. So a little bit of light can extinguish a lot of darkness. And that's why I don't worry about the future. And because every single day I go over the 5 principles of Reiki, and number 2 is just for today I will not worry. But let's go over all 5, because why not? The 5 principles of Reiki. Just for today I will not anger. Just for today I will not worry. Just for today I'll be grateful. Just for today I'll be kind to others. And just for today I'll focus on my work. And that's why I don't worry, Because I tell myself it's just for today. Tomorrow, who knows what's going to happen? You plant seeds, I lay foundation. Like today, I actually poured a foundation for a shed. You know? I don't know if tomorrow's going to come, but if it does, that shed's one step closer to being built. Once I get the material figured out, we'll purchase all of it. That'll be tomorrow. But the whole thing is it's life. I planted the foundation today, and if tomorrow comes, I can build upon it. But if tomorrow doesn't come, at least today, I was present. I did something I enjoyed. I got to spend time with another individual, share stories as we worked. Just spread a human connection. It's just one of those things. That's how we should be living. That's how I think we should be all living. Or you can all live how you want to live. It doesn't matter. That's how I'm going to live. It doesn't matter what other people do. It only matters what I do because I have no control of anybody else. And all I can control are my thoughts. My thoughts? Did I say my thoughts 3, 4, 5 times? My thoughts, my words, and my actions. Those are, that's all I can control. I don't need to speak the way I've spoken before. I don't need to say words of hate. I don't need to intentionally try to hurt anybody. I don't need to unintentionally hurt anybody. All I need to do is just be me. And just love people. Just say, hey, you're a person, great, good for you. So am I, awesome. That's how it is. We're all just here trying to figure it out. Or maybe some of us aren't. Maybe some of us are just existing. Not really living, just doing what we told we should do because that's what we were told to do. Slowly start to question everything. But remember, some people can't handle the truth. It's bigger than you imagine. Most people can't imagine how big it goes. And it's also quite possible that everything I believe is complete horseshit. I understand that too. That's the thing that's amazing. It's just like, it's what you believe, right? It could all be fake. I could just be seeing one little piece of the pie, or it's all made up pieces. But either way, I believe what I believe, and what I believe is that love's the answer. Love's the highest frequency. Love and light will cast out darkness. No more hate. And I believe that generosity is how we're going to stop greed. Is how we're going to triumph over greed. And if there wasn't greedy people, we wouldn't have needy people, would we? Imagine that. This universe is abundant. That so many people believe it's not because they've been told it's not, because stuff is controlled and manipulated to keep scarcity. Man, I could talk about so many things. But anyway, I need to stop because I'm a little tired after working today and I need to get some sleep. I feel my back's a little tight. And that's real life. That's just what it is. So thank you for listening. Thank you for being part of the sound journey. If you had any comments or want to share your experience, go ahead and do so below. It might help other people remember what they experienced, or at least a good conversation starter. And like all the stuff I just said, doesn't matter what you write down. It might sound crazy as shit, but who cares? Just write it down. If you like, it's just like, why do we need not care? We're only going to learn if we share stories with each other, understand different people's perspective. It's the only way we're going to learn. It's the only way we're going to grow as a race, as our consciousness awakens. More people will understand. It's just an experience, just for fun. Well, it's for learning. You're supposed to be having fun. You should be joyous all the time, honestly, because it's your experience. And your experience, if you create it the way you want it to be, should be full of joy at all times. I love my life, so maybe, just maybe I know it. Maybe, I don't know. Who knows? I'm grateful. Thank you for being here, and have a great night, evening, whatever it is for you. Also, laugh more, love more, and smile more. It'll change the world, a little smile. Have a great night.